Kumasi Yonkor and ADOM.
They go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Their advice a blessing to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkopa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. That glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied.
Echa, I'm visiting my brother in my hometown. I'll be back very soon.
Nana. Hey, can I have a moment with you?
Echa, I can't wait till I return.
Oh, Nana, I said a moment and I mean a moment. Ade.
Okay, what is it?
It's about your dress. I've never seen it before. In fact, it's nice there. When did you buy it? Or is it from Ben?
Echa, what is your problem? I mean, do I have to tell you every little thing I do? So, I can't even have my own privacy in this house anymore.
Hey, Nana. What have I said wrong?
Echa, don't spoil my mood, okay? Fine, Ben bought it for me. Are you satisfied?
Hey, Ben bought it for you. I'm satisfied. That's all I wanted to know. Ma promo to acquire numero. Hey! If you have a poor measure, you know what's over to but wash this, wash that. Ratty. My mistake, promotion with me. Me and the man, me will be home them the first.
Kumasi Yonkor and ADOM. Asisawa kwa hudo bebreso. Tisabu sonkotra ule uso. Itisho ye pa.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning.
I didn't see you yesterday at the meeting. Do you also live here?
Yes, I had traveled, but my husband has told me everything about you.
Oh, and you are married? Yes. Who is your husband?
Ben is my husband.
That taxi driver.
Yes. Anyway, my name is Nana.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I do petty trading. But I'm planning to change my line of business very soon. What about you?
Me? Look at me. I just returned from America. As you know, the public refer to us as bogus. And you know, I'm finishing my house very soon. And you know, I'll move out of here.
Oh, you're lucky. As far as we don't have anywhere to go, you're welcome.
Thank you. Anyway, I'll leave you, to finish your cooking.
Okay.
Have a good day.
All right.
Hey, Boga.
We don't know. Oh, no.
Boga, we're two of you, Yakaka.
Don't say, only dear. I want to know. The band Vesaja, me shake a can of calam. A coffee white.
Hey, just say the one who did that, say, dear, near that.
Hey, I hope you know.
Oh, quite.
Oh, well,
let me see, Boga. When are you returning to America?
America. Well, you know, I'm building my own house. It's under construction. As soon as it's done, I'm off.
Yeah, you have a house.
Annie.
Lucky you. And why are you living in this poor environment? You know, boogers like you don't have to live in this area.
A chapa, Nancy Wono. Once again, can't you be send me no shame? Sylvia, she. You can't you be send me your bugger? Me. Flat. No. Me need Jim. Me yet to see me what ash town. Oh, and you know what's now on Sana. Me bug no more your bugger. No more sass sika. A bit to send me what for chumesi. Oh, Pesica Srancasa. Oh, and see, I'm a person me keep be low profile. There's a man who say, me no bugger seminal. I am with the dodo. Oh, me per se, I'm a bad man better. Me bomb who would jack. I'm sure who's here. Oh, you know, Sasha lie. Oh, if we are,
make kind so dear. When you have to make a joke,
we are premier bugger on pen who wants them.
Boga,
On pen who wants them.
once a one pound. And Kayanums are the only better side. Na America. I'm fine now, Bruno Bennett now.
And China and we knew come on, can't you? Miss Nami woman now cook.
Ye Monaco. Nothing Monaco, dear France, Monaco. I want them sister Penny.
And China. Who name say Monaco? A yemu. Mamma can't you? It's said, dear, so you go for it. Baku Ashanti region now. Baku's what you see no.
Sir,
Annie, it would offer out his apparatus when my dear go to Gakra. Busano, someone now could name you know. Why? I don't know.
oh, now so you ma. I didn't know be standing at you. Hey, sister, I don't to know Pogas or don't any Monaco.
If you know, I would have cut into what down.
Oka sebenkum ayashenifa. Diabonin to me so abapa. Debiarada. Opede. Woman angel. Nia wo. Do our man.
Our penny breno. Why busy and no pay? Hey, Nana, could you spare me a few minutes of your time?
I hope it's in the line.
Oh, not at all. Nana, may I know if I have offended you in any way?
Acha, why this question?
Of late, you don't talk to me. You only greet me. Have I done something wrong?
My dear, don't worry your head. You've done nothing wrong.
No. In fact, I don't feel comfortable around you.
The other day, I asked you about your dress and you made me look stupid. Don't let me feel bad. If I have treated you bad in any way, it wasn't intentional. It's just that I want to keep certain things to myself, that's all. Nana, you know between you and I, there are no secrets. Who can't share? I'm so much can't. I don't know this. Me one I'm can't. I know. But you know that's not good enough. We should have our limits, you know. But between you and I, there are no secrets. So are we know? There are no secrets.
Kumasi Yonkor and I don't wow. Sisa wa huwa kwa hudo bebreso. Tisabu somputra ule muso.
Hey!
Chan, wash the clothes for me. I'm going to the stadium to watch a football match.
Excuse me, ladies. Let me soak them and wash them later on, okay?
Chan, hold on. Why do Ghanaian men entertain this primitive act? How on earth do they expect somebody to wash their clothes for them?
But she's not somebody.
That is where you are wrong.
Please, she's his wife.
That is where you are wrong. Is the wife supposed to be a maid?
Now, Boga Sylvia, who does your husband's washings?
Washing machine.
Washing machine. That is what you use for your washing.
Washing machine, of course. Listen, Echa, tell your husband to buy a washing machine for you. Yes, I won't say you now best say you. Show us. Oba who come pa with the wash. Now do say senior mercy. Tilan in any say you. We just think I can compare washing machine with bro.
Yeah, late, baby mama.
Me try.
Are you worried like that?
Mamenka, simple way so.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception.
Ben.
Be satisfied with what you have.
Why? Is it anything about Nana?
Oh, no. No, it's about myself.
Why? Do you need any help?
Not really. I want you to talk to Collins for me. Sometimes he treats me like a maid and I don't like that.
What really has he done?
If my husband wants me to do something for him, can't he call me aside to tell me? It's embarrassing.
Echa, Nyamutre, you have your peace. I will make an appeal to him when he comes back. Okay? I think it will be all right.
And you, Ben, where are you?
Nana.
You used to call me sister. There's mama a big fish. Oda shark. Oda bones. Who frame me a child? Respect, swat.
Sister Chan. Sister Chan. Sister.
I'm from sister. Me ye free.
Me fraud. Sister Chan.
Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, What are they carrying? Round, round about. See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Their advice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass, grass, grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pie. Their words are smoother than oil.
Ben. Good day.
My brother, you're welcome.
Thank you. You seem to be home early today.
Let me see. And then I decided to take the rest of the day off.
Oh, I see. All right then.
Collins. Oh, really? Some few minutes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why? Are you in any kind of problem?
Well, not really. It's not about me. It's about your wife, Echan.
Has she insulted you?
Oh, no. Where can I say? Or the Joatone bear me say I should talk to you on her behalf.
About what?
In short, she said she would prefer you talk to her about certain things in private, not in front of her friends. So, what today me patch us?
Yeah. No problem. But Ben, anyway, thank you very much. But my main cancer, Michro. Say a mile away, one more motia. So who can be fast one? Obey young one. I want to say, Buffer. So one Tiana, or be proud to say poto. A mother is so judge our home more. So ni more, or bar, and then what in the hanky mount said, Nessie Mammy. Watching out the net doors of a mouse, see. About don't cry, and say we each know. She would the Sana or buy our fan by Crassini, Dufias and wine. But I didn't know any answer, and one and Namoso. About the woman Pesa, woman 1 yard, or Beko bet 10 miles. Bema dear, who judge our home, but you were enough a woosin in Yama. When you obey your toll again, obey your toll again. So, cry out on the faso. Oh, no, what to do? We hear the doors in our mercy. Into the Yaja, who we have about the Osaka Jananka. Intino, you know, no mind, you said you do here. Have I been treating you bad in this house?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ben, what did you tell Ben? Is he your spokesman? Is he your spokesman?
No.
Tell me, is he your lawyer? Is he your lawyer? Then, you have turned yourself into FM in this room, and you make sure you announce everything that goes on in this room to the outside world. Is that what you're doing? Is that the training I've been giving you in this house? Is that the training I've been giving you? Is that the training that I've been giving you? Huh? Is that the training I've been giving you? Get up here. Is that the training that I've been giving you? Huh? Now, listen, and listen carefully.
If you don't like the way I treat you in this room, better pack your things and leave before I kill you.
Kumasi Yonkor nyabra, oyanu soto, mensu ota, nyawo fancha, tima wani na hoye, enye sawo beshi asitim, uniri asibeye level ground.
Ama wenisu every.
So yeah, you have to find some money to pay them. What did I make? They life no. Huh?
Where am I gonna get this money from? I've done whatever I can to raise the money. But
what? Huh? But what? Look, Sylvia, no matter what the situation, the condition you are in now, you have to find someone to pay them. What's the mechanic? There's some phone no. Huh? Obvious damn one Jaffini now. Now what says can cruise can you would this can I didn't know this can here. What do you do with that money?
I don't wanna talk about it. I gave it to my boyfriend and he duped me.
Sylvia! So you mean you gave the money to Josh? That good for nothing guy. My God. Sylvia, you're very stupid. The boy here come on, huh? No go kuska kesi say my boy no or the good maso. What's the tree? Look at you. Starving in this room. You're down with him. Fan crabin see them her. Fan crabin them her. Huh? Let me tell you, if you don't find some money to pay them, I will direct everybody to this place. What did I make? What did I make? So if you say, what I cannot be what's what I would do no sir, they go swing at it. I will be able to. And that's what them come down. Fucking girl. Tell them no kind of what I make at home. And me jail grab was a never break. Count many new crowd. That count was animal, many new.
Who is that man? He looks very angry. Any problem?
He's angry because his sister promised to send him some money. That's why.
Yeah. Maybe he needs that money badly.
I know. I told him I'll try and call the sister. Or I'll try and, get him some money for him. So. And I will go so.
You have to. Then I think you have to. Because I can't want Papa. Please do help.
We may try and now Becky can send to say the mena, Sikan, Menam, the person come and send them now. Obi Chemwa. Oh, Becca say, now, Baba,
I will be Chemwa Becca's order in the camp.
Sound. If you make baby, I'm no, I'm a happy.
Wait a baby man, away there. And you was said I could have you. Boga, you did away. Debbie, Mammy Chishima. Oh, Debbie. And for
don't worry. It's exercise for me. I'm trying to lose weight,
No, I didn't wait. Madam, hey, mention a whole burger like you now. Would not got an old chin say,
Echa, my dequency, I may as I do. One day I brought you honor. When you knew oh, you knew honor. Oh, coming now photographer be crown coach, a man coach, and a photo. You can't make a coach, bro. Oh, Debbie, and fatal. I said, hey, tell me a bedroom to be a canaminama. The book said the man down when she has a hand was you. Inside the crank, a map nama. Share. No one say, oh, but sniff. Yes, I said, me do to me who cry, winning manka. What was salute to me crying?
Wouldn't so be any seminary. Eh, Macro be some sister fabric, and I'm sister Habana. Let's say if you're a friend, Bogger for fee. Bogger for fee. I'm into our car. Oh, there be adding. No one's a Missy Caddy. Jai. I brought you for the Mubasa, also so much. Said you and Yamuna. What? It's not say. Okay, Mammy going. Oh, it's not. So which more is a bug and a tear a chant? Hey, no one an area in your fear or count. Bogger, I'm for few. Oh, it's not say. What I saw be a man, and for I don't know about him. Oh, Miss Single Chia, the animal. Hey, wouldn't you? May I down? Wouldn't you ever find? The cruise we had a friend. What it? Wouldn't you, Papa? One at you. One near them right. So don't say you're done area. It's a me chumwire. Bogan, you're never going to book.
Guess what?
A damn guess. Well, by 10 times,
where are the kids?
No, Diana, almost could diabo. You see, car the two and one Diana and I beg Diana.
Anyway, today I'm in a good mood, so I don't want any fight. I have a surprise for you. Have I talked about chop money?
Yes, I am a resident chairman. Kakana Manoman.
I'm serious. Look, I said I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Surprise.
Ta-na-na. Open your eyes now. Oh, let me take you a picture. Oh. It's a camera phone. Let me take you.
Oh, yeah, me.
Now, no, the smile is too big. Reduce it. We cry. We know by any other way. Me careful to waste away and talk about smile. Isn't it beautiful?
It's nice. Share mirror. Share you can. Cry romantic.
What are you talking about?
Huh? Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a darling today. In fact, I'll give you the food.
Oh, okay. But I don't understand. Why are you thanking me?
Surprise! I don't know if I say. What are they bring me?
Oh, cha. Look, this is my phone. It is not for you. Why aren't you happy for me that I bought a mobile phone?
No, not surprised now. Can anything? Me for phone, me for mount, me for phone.
Okay. She said, "Oh, the engineer, you the mawa now come 1 mile." She said, "Mato phone no, ayo ya say, man farmer na me use nyeza." Hey, ya no more than one chiri pentua. Ade papa bia no emfa mu fichire. Enyesa. Fabra. Nsa na we wa bedi hu bro. Fama me. Fabra.
Na de ntida kokora untimi nye romantic ba kokora.
E dey betik. Many utifia o nsem use mobile phone. Me ma use mobile phone na o be use mobile phone. They say Obamu wani aje ama me say banya phone na ya. Na oba ne be ma hwa na say use mobile phone.
Who say mood?
Who will be friend?
Oh, Jawasem. Who say mood pa?
Ja.
A dear romantic. We had do fruit pe wo aduane me ma wo. Aduane kura bia ni wo. Se mu apa. Mobile phone nkwa na ni surprise o ma me ho ya me da. Papa. It's one for scan to Obium. Huh?
I told you I don't have money. What do you expect me to do?
Hey, if you're buying for Bonini.
My first scan to walk into the
One first scan into wow, Casasimo. Huh? I don't even have one peso on me. How do you expect us to eat?
And I told you I don't even have a peso on me. Where do you expect me to get the money from?
If you don't have money on you, where did you get the money to buy the phone yesterday?
Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you.
Look, who dance my catch us who's row? Ote, don't disturb me this morning. I told you I don't have any money on me. Why are you disturbing me? We are all fasting today.
Nobody's fine. Yeah. If we are fasting today, what about the kids?
You, me, the kids, we are all fasting. Fasting is good for the soul.
Hey, if you're papa, who are to Banoni Crow bien?
Are you talking to me? No. You come out again. And no, TP, I just
we never want to our food say, what we not what forgot I can do. 1 man crowd be.
I'll come and meet you in the evening.
Oh, and then you have back home. I have back home. Who never want to be a gentleman. And who be your day? I am going to say, I did the cobo. Oba to me, Udo to me, doing me about behind one panaso. Ube, who set Father Christmas. Ade, I can't come at all. I know so dear. Me, I'm in the best of sorts.
Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. The words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold, 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 gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, what are they carry you round, round about?
Echa, are you okay? What's wrong today? I saw your husband very angry before he left for work today. Echa, won't you mind me?
Sister Sylvia, I'm fed up. I am fed up with this marriage.
Why? Is Colin beating you up today?
Do I have to beg Collins for housekeeping money?
Echa, so you are telling me Colin is not responsible man at all?
Sister Sylvia, the least said about it, the better. Collins is asking his children to fast. And you call this person responsible?
Maybe he doesn't have money.
Sister Sylvia, don't defend him. If he doesn't have money, where did he get the money to buy a phone yesterday? But me, I have my plans.
And Tia, we see a Collins are more home. Tana walk away, man. And where Jawesi was a wound, Adriane, and Menindi. A child then was saying, sir. Ah, Bemmer in a fuka cracker will close Frabantino bar. Who say where did you become a fuss already? What's no? Sankayamia and Canary, Cobe review one other. You men paid Yanni be and sin what? Perchance in one of them said, why, Adrian, to a ban of a fair dear. One cat is and Coboa on Homa, and Cow Benya be a diamond Watton. Hey, a 10-year-old bro. Once you are back, my comment is so, when it's so, who crab bro for her neck? No one didn't quite as a much. A time come in what? Mr. John in the court. Because they won't born so. Who been now be papa, Wissika, no funu from Kaka. What show? Ah, Also, I know see I know kono oba no odin kwata some electricity bill kra no no wo ko ho. Yes, ade ehu hia no no wo ko wo fi ase. Ah! E chan wo pa aware we die. Sorry no ko. Ana me nkobo ma me amane.
Debi. To me fa want to also. So ka tre wo hwe so hwe fom. So ka se benkum aya hwe ni fam. Ya born to me so abapa.
Mommy, I don't like the way Collins treats me of late. And you know my mother is not here. That is why I've come to tell you. Oh, now, mommy, be pass and Pepe catch Collins.
Echa, here. Any kwan say, would this any maniamano? A year way. Our real kwan one tiniest friend our real. What you say? And yet, then you know, now, Quawarima, Ubenya de. Edu baby obenya no dede du baby so obenya no nyonyonyo ne nyina nkoten eti wo se wunya abotre na de bibia hwede aware mu nsam de ye mfa ntena fie bebre enya so wo ya aka bibi kitu bia na adimika no abafia bebo amane ye nkwa aware sa aware ti se bepo wo fro na wusane eti bibia ni enya abotre unru baby e wo se sia wo pa aba wa aware mu sa ya nya abotre wo ti ne meka kire won.
Mommy, you should see the way Colin treats your daughter. It's very bad. I've been in the house with them for a few months. And then what did you put up? Bono do asa obana kro ba anko asom.
Raba. Men kasa asem no mfa nkyere me wa ha sei. Men kasa asem no yonko papa wo no yonko nam. Ne se bibi ena e ha na wo betu ne fo no ubu na bem. Wan kasa wo gina we wo okunu.
Me wo kunu. Me kunu ye broni or America. Me want him boom the way I call him a bonus son. I am too much a crying to know. So be ya be
betu ne fo atu ne fo pa. Ne jane e wo kire no. Bra. We ye friend yonko. Me de we de me pene so ni be di agro. We nya yonko aye ne nante. What? Na yonko wontimi ntu fu nka hwe nkire. E de no no.
Mommy, is she not saying the truth? Huh? Yeah. Is she not speaking the truth? You should see how Collins treats me in the house.
What did we do? I was so near your pool, but near two for I will quite be brave.
What she's telling you is not a lie. You have to listen to her. You do know what I go through in the house.
Mamma can't show. Kumasi Yonkor, and your Yonko. May catch you when you know to a big shot. Wa young one dear pet, asa. And what day on the Bemwa, Bibia bededin. Oh, nano mammy frame me. I catch him Miss Alice, a brainy scargra. It one so pebiaca honor the abba. Near ye bibia and nephew. Yabutre, it didn't make a choice say abutre any other worry.
Mammy, abutre, look at this. Do I have to beg Collins for asking me money? Sika me the year, Diana money Libya Pojano, just some panicho. Me the year, Diana ma would know my edino so. Do I have to beg him? Me mean to me, my bread.
I abutro. Our rear bunkum Jennifer, and if I saw Jabunkum. A near down Fuechi. Nanti, you'll be back and show be our rear and Satin in your pet. Uncle for we are no near why while I did be or they worry. And war to us, let us a near fatan away.
Kumasi Yonkor, Oyanu Sodo, Nansu Otao, Onyawo Fancho, Intima Weni na Hoye, and yes, I will be sitting.
Oh Lord, what am I going to eat today? Where am I going to get the money to pay the electricity bill before the close of the day? Nah, I'm going to busi. Busi inzu na mi ba mi nje. Wakani dini sika be mami bi. Na I'm going to say na be mami bi. Jana na de. Ibi ame de manu fa no ho a. Obe mami bi.
Yes. Nana. Oh, can you do me a small favor?
How?
I gave my sister some dollars yesterday to go and change it for me. And she hasn't shown up yet. And I just have to pay my workers.
So how much do you need?
Only 4 million cedis. Hey. Nana, please. 4 million cedis. Hey.
I can't get 4 million. But I can manage to raise 1 million if you wouldn't mind.
1 million. Hmm, 1 million per day. Many, sir.
Okay. Okay, wait, I'm coming. This is 1 million. Yeah.
1 million to so.
Sorry, I don't have money. This is all I have. Even this one is my husband's. Please, manage it.
1 million.
I don't have any money.
Baby.
So all the money I've left.
I'll manage it anyway. That's why.
That's all right.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good. Ifira, how much is the electricity bill?
Yes, yours is 43,500.
43,000 pay. Rene.
Baga, ese ske abun su bebre.
Oh, minim. Fafato. Oh, etibusu mi bia so a. Na de wuti film. Ti ya besa. E ma ni so. E ya besa no mehu. Wa Ifira. On say ye mu ye bogus ne de. Ye tua bibia, ye tua in advance. So. Into the next month. Na say wuti film. Yes, I feel na madana oh may have me nap bi no na bebo punuma disturb me say de bia na o ha calling no why to the man ho why
Baga no
Ifira
nipa say na mpese mo betra me fio ni nipa biti sa calling sa de bia woni me kun sky be ho ntokwai
yes one dey wonya ba mu onu de bia no ne yire e cha o mako me hu bi krada me ka me kunu no a Ananka America. Come on, put in about Kukama or Namano or was so soon.
Oh, not America.
Sometimes not the America life in the Abbey Fraka.
Oh, God, no.
If you're right, you. Manu,
you. Hey, hey, and an auntie was an auntie come.
55,000 cedis for just 1 month? Why do we operate mail in this house? Huh? Or do we operate mail in this room? Or do we have the whole vacuum situated in this room? This man, no, I have to see the original bill. I can't just... How?
Collins, 55,000 is not too much.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. If 55,000 is not much, why didn't you go and pay it yourself? Do you know what 55,000 can do? Look. I have to go and see the landlord myself. Good evening. Why do I have to pay 55,000 cedis for last month's bill alone?
Collins, You know that electricity tariffs have gone up, don't you?
But to pay 55,000 cedis for 1 month there, Vera, please, it's too much. Oh. You have to do something about it.
Collins, there's nothing I can do about it. Why do you always argue over bills?
Yes, it's because you always escalate it.
Collins, I am not a cheat. You know I have no control over the bills. See, if you don't have money, just let me know.
I have money. I have money, but I won't allow you to cheat me. It's as simple as that.
Oh, Bermana, akasa bebre yemfatao na jai. She Sylvia obabesia kwa wo tuane dia ma broso.
En fa sa ba yo na o muhwe na sem bia mem. So no dollars no hu de on fanya. May I know what to do with my money? Please. This is just your room. Bring the bill. Let us all check it.
Me se me infa electricity bibi anchiro. Now per 2.
E dey asem na woni ye kan. Electricity asem no enya wo asem. E ya ban asem. Nti e ba se o jama ye na ye ni aye ya de. Se nya kululu na wo ya, aha ne wo dem kwan be na wa. Wontimi fa bill ne ma na nyina ye hwe. Se sa na se metua, metua.
Hwe. Se wo electricity bill ahwa. Kone kusi udan wati.
Enye se wo de fie wura asem bia be hunu hunu ami o. Na me because am hu bill na enya de ametua ka prekra. Ji se nyina ate ha na electricity fo be dum no. On dum aye nyina ye nkɔ ne nkɔ kan ya no asem.
Wo de se e.
Enye se afa buffalo for.
Wo de se e. Benkatachi de bia na wo ko bills. Ale. Eba wo ba besia kra be nya wo yi.
Nana, did you witness Collins arguing with the landlord?
No.
I saw him arguing with the landlord because of the electricity bill.
But that is his right, isn't it?
Electricity bill so the bema the one be dreams ana anye dey. Say gre kan yire adwuma. 55,000 cedis painting no. Only landlord ko akoho, ekoko ho. Ezo yes ade ano anya ade. No ya ye bema kotobonku.
Hey, Sister Sylvia. Well, that is his business. Me, I don't meddle in people's affairs, okay?
But see you na na tifi anti say me be catch on ehwe ne bibi.
I don't meddle in people's business. If you'll excuse me, I have something doing.
Na wo so ya ko. Kwai. Ko ti asane be ka chema na mu ye mu ho ayi mu pese obeti. Ko. Na me ti bi ma asema be ka chewa.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dove. Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa.
Acha, wash the trainers for me. I'm taking it to Mampong tomorrow, so wash it now so that I can take it tomorrow. I'll be back.
Excuse me, Mr. Collins.
What can I do for you?
Why do you African men want your wives to do everything for you?
It's because they are our wives.
It's your wife, your slave.
Okay. Who more they are? Huh? And I don't feel some collaboration. I'm about to say, "We will be
It's okay. It's my responsibility.
It's okay. African woman, wake up from your slumbers. Are you his slave? It has been never done in America. My white husband do everything for me.
And you know, it's because those guys are fools.
Fools.
And you marry them. They don't marry you, but here we marry them. So please don't get me annoyed.
Nah, I there so.
What's what all? And mommy to show and swat. What the mammy ran us and Papa no way over whom them. And you all you know is playing Ludo in the house and spoiling their minds.
Yeah, boy, you know, say
look at her. Who does it now?
Eta wa hefa. Brian twaso no okọ. Ni hu bi ode. Ye dru baby agro na ye den na wo ba be si. Mr. Colin, what can I do for you?
Please, don't be angry.
I need your help.
What sort of help?
You see, I want you to take me to America.
America? Are you sure?
I'm damn serious. You see, I've been doing everything I can to improve upon my life, but nothing seems to work.
Colin, don't worry.
Serious?
Yeah, because I know how Ghana is. Life in Ghana is too hard to live in. I've been in and I know, Well, you can't stay here to take care of your wife and your kids. Don't worry, I'll help you. But, Uska.
See, just a little, not enough. That is why I want you to help me.
Colin, Mebwa.
Thank you.
But you also need to try and gather some money, so I can use the little that I have to support you. Because ukobana unamni yo boga na utira dasana yo de. So na obenye nyeme. Timisewa pekakra. Na de mesumu wo no. Na me de aboa. Why? So what I'll do, I'll think about it. Why? Na me nwe Ti anwumire. Anwumire we. Bra, e cha da. Afa ho aba na. My head me could do it. Why?
All right. No problem.
Thank
you very much.
Antimecho. Akwa we pa brochure ko. Na nka me ye connection woman a. Ka me ame nko. Na me kwa brochure ko ame hu oda. Na me nko brochure o. Onu de opebi akọ. Na me Portugal nka me nimu ho a. Ka me ni Kenya. Iye fiafo de he mu jimidi. If you're a boom one, my tooth, and send me cop, Mrs. Showbugger beer, me say I shall win. Now, dear, first you see can back home. But the very menum, you may name a body. Yanko, Jimmy, do ya boopy. A quarry pan. What a fabra? Why? You don't work.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Colin. Thanks for visit.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Colin, what can I get for you to drink?
Oh, nothing.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, I'm sure.
What can I do for you?
Well, I came in connection with the request I made the last time.
You know what? I have thought about it, but there's a sacrifice that you need to make.
Please, you really need to look at my condition and help me. I really need to go to America. Please.
You know, I was planning to take my brother to abroad. But because of your request, I dropped him, for you.
Serious? Oh, God will bless you. And He will continue to bless you until you are blessed.
Oh, come on. Mr. Colin, I want you to make me a promise.
Oh, I promise.
You don't even know the condition and you have made a promise.
Look, with America, I don't need to know the condition.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the condition is just simple. I don't want you, telling anybody, not even your wife, about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Kumasi Yonkor nyakra, oyanu sodo, nansu otao, onyawo fancho, intima weni na hoye, enyesawo beshi asi.
So, how did you manage to get a taxi home?
Nana, Ghana is hell. I couldn't believe it. 16 kilometers from Kumasi. Hey, Ekwano, Nana. Two. Nkaya America. Ekwano mi ensanam ha. Na mi ensanam ha. Then nam say she. That's my say Anne, what to come? Ghana de mo bre papa. Hey.
So, did you come by trotro? Because I believe no taxi will ply that.
Me trotro. I managed to get this Ajaji taxi. And I paid him 150,000.
150,000 what?
150,000 cedis.
Sister Sylvia, that was too much.
150,000 is too much. Well, the taxi driver, I feel so sorry for him. He couldn't even offer to buy himself a food or for his family. So, I thought I'll give him some tip to take care of himself and some for the family. And anyway, this reminds me, your husband is a taxi driver, isn't he?
Yes.
So how does he, take care of you and take care of himself? How can he afford with this taxi driver business?
Oh, I'm okay.
Nana, I'm not talking about just okay. Look at yourself, a nice lady like you. You need a nice man, a nice man who can provide you. You need a car for yourself, a private car, so you can drive around, feel good. Taxi driver.
But, Sister Sylvia, I'm doing fine. I appreciate everything my husband has been doing for me. I'm all right.
Okay. Well, think about it. I can hook you up with, a rich man who can help you out with all these things that you need. Even a nice car for yourself. Change your journal. I can't change now. Think about it.
Brains, if you don't close the window, just spray your Oh, so this way.
Yeah. I've been hearing some rumors about you.
Rumors about me? What is it about?
Well, should I call it rumors? No. If a reliable source told you something, that's not rumors, is it?
Look, Sylvia, tell me, what did my wife tell you?
Is that true that you're not formally married to your wife?
If she's not my wife, why do you refer to her as my wife?
Well, I'm not the one who's saying it. It's your mother-in-law.
You mean my mother-in-law told you this? What does this woman want from me at all?
Colin, is that true?
Look, it is never true. I wonder why that woman keep on spreading false information about me. Anyway, I don't blame her. I blame her daughter. But your time will come.
Don't worry about it.
Anyway, you won't sound. Hey. It's exceptional. Come on.
Thank you. My dear. You know, God has blessed us. And things are moving on smoothly for us. So, what prevents us from getting married?
I can't smooth. Banana, I want to consolidate our future. But some timid men I see. You know, at least me am to me taxi. So, I colonize it. You're going to be careful from one.
Please, don't disappoint me.
Nana, you mean Nana? Weighing in energy. Babaso. Cross my heart.
I hear. Do you want more? Sister Sylvia, where did you say you live in America?
Manchester. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester.
Ish. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester. Didn't you say you lived in Monaco the last time?
Yeah, I said I live in Monaco, but you didn't get me. Before I came to Ghana, I moved to Manchester just to get the feeling of it.
Do you know this football club, Manchester United?
Yeah.
Isn't Manchester in the United Kingdom?
Now, who didn't know? Who took from her? Who knew say? Edi Manchester no. There was small one. Oh, small one. I want America. So my heart is a milk no yeah fool. I want a minute here. Nanya Manchester United now so na. Ghana ni no market and Obama.
Yay! Manchester. Michaelasian.
Oh, Ghana no.
I know about Chelsea no. Then I will say about Manchester.
Who's there? Who say newspaper? What da cry. O ja grant na me move to Manchester honum. Enti say wo ti fia no. Unu kru taxi driver ni nyina, mu read newspaper. Na moti asa na ade achem. Wa jai cho wo de onima ho. Se ne, wo kru kra so onimo ba fon. Anka obi anka wo frɛ no. Se wo ba onto newspaper man because eno na we news so nti for sure no. E be wo newspaper man sa aka ho.
If you see hu.
E ma ni nyo hu. Why? E ma ni nyo hu.
Enti wo say Michaelasian we jai on board Chelsea.
We jai grant na me ko Manchester ho no. Aka ko tena ho no. Yam ade no why na wo wiwi a na makodem ho medem ho na makoyi picture bia be kire wa me gina ho me she da ma ya tro America wo soro ana Manchester so wo form ma take photo because me be me du bia even kwa mo no kokura me take photo be am wo photos
enti Manchester ni America ni
debi America na ye kuro no ana Manchester eye ekura bia se ekura kito ze nipa bebre nim ho nipa bebre nim ho na ye na ye ni ate kakra no ye ni enim ho eish wo de hwesome am ayi ni ewia me akodi abecho picture no why me kura he ma me kan san ba koncho ofre me ma ke si ofre me se me mra me di weekend but on se me no ma ye tight me nya time me nioma binti no me nya time mako kura he so opa my sister bi madam for bi ashi only some boy no kra na epi anwure na ye go phone so na ye twa talks she na o me kan asem a wunyi ni ka be duo nu pa Where so frame ya ho, frame ya. Ne so wa ha. Me ma ne na kasa. No hu sa so na me ka no. Me mmoa. Ma ne nyo hu. Wo de o he ma me kan se me jo. Nka ncho bi wa. O twa me na no. Ohu. Say, obetwa ticket ama me. Ohu. Me Sylvia. Me akodi just weekend. We nye say 1 week bi o. Just weekend. O be kwa na. So pa. Embo kuna mani o. Na ye nya no kuna ye ntwa ticket ma. Ye nyina ne yenko. Na abu eni oba nka bedu onumu he mi wo photos grow se mi we ya you ya o wi ya na akoyi acho na ohu se me makohoda
oh but we dey me
o wi na makoyi abekiro Colin.
Yeah, who is it?
I am here.
No, she went to the market. Why? Anything the matter?
Who is Alex in Holland?
Alex. Oh, yes.
So, who is she to you?
Alice is my sister-in-law, a Chinese sister.
Oh, so I'm not tea and a yampa.
Asambeng.
Colin. Yeah, I'm telling you what, baby. Say, Chinese sister. Edisika bro. Safa koye no ho ade. Na ikromu ha say Ghana. Be ma na ye oba ho ade ana say oba na ye ho ade. Eh na we den ka wo ho be kire wo. Wo ju be ma fi nsem.
You. But where did you get this information from?
Colin. Your mother-in-law, of course. I think, Collins, she doesn't like you.
You mean it is my mother-in-law who has been spreading all these informations about me?
It's been going around everywhere.
So it's my mother-in-law who has been spreading all these informations about me? All right. Thank you very much for telling me this. But I will definitely look into this. Maybe shame.
Miss Shem Nenso, who is Shemayana to Bumomidio? Why?
Kumasi Yonkor, and Adam Wow. Asisa wa huwa kwa hudobe breso. Tisabu sonkotra ule uso. Itisho.
We American ni kwa mi hu se bi da do mu da.
We me na na gudie bi odi chia me. Hwe.
Nzefe pa. Kama mu
sa. Mama tu.
Acha. Ujidi pa se ababa we ya what ye friend se Silvio se wanwen. E de na chese wakwa abrochiri. Me de minje ni se wakwa abrochiri abo.
Anu bokiti. Ana wo bibi apesa okan. I don't know to me you know because I want na abrochiri anko so atna abrochiri. Me dem gidi so atna abrochiri. I don't know chese se Silvio atna abrochiri. Hwe ababa we hwe se do si hye ne ntade efa. Hwe se do si kasa. Broni be say accent hwe okasa na hwema di akire.
Shirema
Oh jai.
Shirema. Frama ni asaka san yesua okroma ya. Kasa we se obi ntimi nsua kasa yin kan wa.
Usua ntimi nkata se de oka no.
She, ababa wa so ofia brochira ba. Katin simpo bi nsa ne da no. Wokwa ne dem ma. Hwe ni ho. Na me no mi na yete akura ya ho yese ne no.
E de no ka kiro.
Won so oka asam ne ade a chena ne wura fi asam kro kan.
Oka wante. Ose ne container eba ubehu curtains different color ebi kura no ama ebi ni asesa ya de uba benefit anya de san no anasa
echa he bibi yo na baba wa we yate ha no de 9 adane 6 why
o de dania me mebutu
she
tie ayo ya na
eda no me no mienu na nam no se wo firi Monaco na no wote na wa betina ma afi do sa Manchester ebi wa America asem we sei abrantie ya obobol ya efre no Philip, Essien, you say Michael Essien is a woman. Me and Casamini, Sir Branty or Chelsea. I don't know me Bisana was in a Branty and a boy, dear Ben, why America, a Monaco, Manchester, in some one.
Go again. Into Unim Nyansa. What Jimmy? We are crossing me, Papa. One name me, ya and him say and corn cranda, and full can't corn grand. Over Mona Monaco anymore. O shall ya Hanoma, you will go for you, dear. O go stay ready, cover you, and you. It is a Manchester or USA. Nebisa or UK. Or no say a cracket get away and pat. She, if it's done, I'm in a casa, me won't tell me that. Me soon kasa chem sa baba wan wo dada you
wan kasa wo fie be so bi enfra broche ma da ntu hu se de mu enfra hu mu na ye no
cha me hu mete adan wo da na nimfa bon nke kan taxi driver for asama no na champion when do kan we obi abegede na football da na nimfa football
cha ye hwa na baba wo ya mfa na ya da na ye se so fie ha wo
da na se se mebutu na nya no ko wan no tu
African soft drink.
Muduro.
Anyade. Jai. Amane penso munya. Ubenya. Na. Boga. Why are you not on phone?
You know I came to Ghana to rest. And I don't want any phone calls to disturb me. All the phones that I bought, I gave it to my sister and her friends. That's why.
Hey, Boga, no think I'll pass me back.
Next time, next year, maybe why?
So, which type of phones did you bring?
I bought Nokia D3 and Siemens D500. In fact, it was a lot of them.
Sylvia, V3 is the Motorola model, and there is no Siemens D500, but rather Samsung D500. Yes.
Actually, when? It was launched, I think, last June.
Hey. Sylvia, please don't lie. My boyfriend deals in mobile phones, and there is no phones like what you just mentioned. Yes.
Hey, Rita. Rita!
What?
She's talking about the very latest one, the very latest phone launch this June.
Hey, Sylvia, don't forget my boyfriend also imports phones from Dubai, so I know phones well. There is no phones like what she's saying.
Rita. Who ya papa? Rita, what's your boyfriend? I'm going to phones in the free. I'll go for free Dubai. Yeah, American phone. Yeah, used to phones. I'm on a chummy. And son China phone. On my baby too. How much did you connect Dubai for a Siena cano? Not Dubai for after. Oh, boyfriend, could you crowd? Uncle Papa in free Dubai, yeah. But every America for honor, and will be important to see one else on his way. We are can't Dubai. Oh, boyfriend, I've been on start to talk. Americano. But I am in Pelham side and watch it.
Don't mind them. I'm on for them, yeah, Judy. Hey, don't mind them. My latest burger. Fresh one. Bruh, what to buy?
Donna, on my way. Can I get the money I asked you to give me?
My dear, I forwarded the money to my capital. Please, give me some time. I'll refine it for you.
I needed to buy new ties next week.
I know.
I really need it.
I know. But please.
You don't worry, okay? I'm off to work. I'll see you in the evening, all right?
Have a nice day.
Hey.
Hey, Aso.
Nani amuta huni. Here.
Come on.
Hey. Wala mu wiye ya na mo koda.
Go pay you. Yes, sir.
Me sa wo mu a.
Ni sa kan ma me.
Ma ye mi hu bia na.
Penso mama me no mo.
Oh, nso de ye.
Hey. Mami, akwaba.
Yeah.
Aso akwaba.
Yeah, Mira.
Na to mami penyin kan dia.
Oh. Na ho ye. Enu akra no frɛ. Oso chia mu nyina.
Me jene so.
Jese de waya abre waboga o.
Enya sam ketewa.
Yo, ene baby sakwan so.
Yo, ewie de boko. Enu ana Mary frɛ me. Na em say nkomo na yedi ye no. Afi na ode say aye ready ode atum. Enti no na memra me bisa. Na je wada roma. She time a yemfa enye aware no ho ntotoye. Enti no me ba betie date ya obde be hye yen na ye hunu se na ebisi aye no.
Oh.
Sasa mpa.
Enti sense mo ametiti nyina na ye no kre.
Aseme.
Eda kro mu nyina aseme. Mase ena disika fra brochire. Ebrem ya mma ye me yire ho ade. Ebinom kra de omo se Alice ena ebrem sika. Enti me nko a na che se me de minister mase na me yire nua na ebrem sika e de ye me yire ho ade.
Oh. No enam kro be.
Dabi. Se sem pese mo gima ni mo nyam free me nsam. Enya sa.
Asem be na wo ken.
Ana de be makateche de manyina dui. Obi na sese oso be ma me junso.
Oh.
Enya hwe me amepem sika me ye ready a me baba ye no ho ade.
Oh, aso. Asem me a chan na me. Na Mary, ene wo. Nipa na ya ka asem.
Ene ye kan say ye wi amfa me nkosi dwa so na monton.
Oh, da bi nya ne sa aso. Asem wo de asem.
Shut up. Oh, anu tum. Da bi say ku ase ne de me ntumi o.
Asem wo kan say ya na nkoyi.
Masew na disika fi abrochire. Ebra me say me nya me yire ho ade.
Oh, aso.
Da me suma ye kwado ntonti na maje na me de akoye da me no ase.
Na you say me ana say a China de asem ne nam. Say ye ne wa na
tina. Me na me ko kan. Me na me de asem no ko ye ko kan.
Na asem okay de so obi anim ho hwe. Na den.
Nipa so hu enti ye de na asem no pie ye.
Oh, ase ujai sana. Say ye hunu da ye de be ye yi no na say oso wo anim ya me frɛ no.
Me say we me pede to empede no a me hia ne sika, me hia mo bia sika, me amepem sika. Me ye ready a me ya kwala no ho ade.
Oh,
so me nya bi na mba be fam ade a mo fam ade enko.
Aso na da bi.
Oh, shut up.
Asem bi esi ana. Na ansam de na ekoso yi.
Asem wasi ni say edimwase a monam krom ha de gume no me ntimi.
Oh, enkasa. Wan na betimi asori akogu anim ase. Nti ne wo ye nyina. Ye betimi asan afiri wachi akogu anim ase. Ama na ye.
Nje de na asem ne pie.
Oh, aso me nyesa.
Oh, me na etire wo ne kan.
Enya hwe.
Na nam krom ase ma se na bem.
Nipa din say ye de na.
Me amepem sika.
Me throw aso me pa cho.
Kumasi Yonkor nyakra ena dankwa. Sisa wa huwa kwa hudo bebre. Tisabu sonkutra uni muso. Iti show.
You don't want to go
I'm very sorry.
All right. In fact, I really have to be going. I'll see you later.